guys, today I'm gonna make some slime. I bought this kit from Mush Slime. But first, I'm going to try out some of the slimes. This will be my first time trying out slime. The first slime that I'm gonna try is a strawberry banana yogurt slime. This is a basic clay slime. It's super silky and glossy, and I can see there are some Fimo banana slices in there. It is super stretchy and smells just like strawberry banana yogurt. The next three slimes that I'm gonna try is clay slime mixed with jelly slime. I think it's only for fragrance what is different. First up is watermelon slime. This feels so much different than the first one. I think the website said that there are some icing slime in here as well. This is also super stretchy, but it feels more thicker than the first one. There are some watermelon Fimo slices in there, and it also smells of watermelon. And when I pull it like this, it almost looks like a spider web. The next one is apple cable. This one has a fresh apple smell, and it feels less puffy than the watermelon one. The next one is bubblegum freezer. This one smells exactly like bubblegum. It has some colorful sprinkles in there and also some cupcake Fimo slices. It almost looks like a party mix. And it also feels so soft and cloudy. The last one is a Milky Moo cloud slime. There are some snow powder in it, and it is colored pink, white and light brown. This one is also cloudy and soft and also has that spider's web effect. Now the best part of this video is to start mixing the slime. First I'm going to start by pouring the slime glue mix into the cup. The glue does not even smell like glue, it smells like hand lotion. Next, I'll put some activator into the cup to start forming the slime. Some more activator. And mix, mix, mix. It's got such a nice clicking sound. It is so much more fun to play with this huge hunk of slime than playing just with a little bit. Okay, let's start to decorate. First, I'm gonna put a small bit of slime aside to use later. Now I'm gonna mix in some deep rose acrylic paint. Next up is some candy floss fragrance. Next, I'm going to put in some styrofoam beads. And also some clear beads. Now we're going to put it in a container. Now for the slime that I put aside, I'm going to mix in some blue pigment powder. Drape it on top. Brush on some gold pigment powder. Add some sprinkles. It looks so pretty and I'm so sad to mix it all up, but it has to be done. I understand now why the slime was so popular. It's not only fun to play with, but it is also fun to make.